Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to find people on Instagram through the Discover People option. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just directly go to your Instagram app. As you open the app, go to your home page. From your home page, just click on this Discover People tab, which is at the side of Edit Profile. And as you can see, all these people are the mutuals or the ones that have been connected to your contact list. So to see it all, you'll just click on See All tab. And from this section, you can easily scroll down and see all the people who are the mutuals or who have been connected directly or indirectly to your account or to your friend's account. These are the suggestions, and as you scroll, keep on scrolling down, you'll find this option which says most mutual connections. So these are the people who have been friends with your friends, like a lot of your friends, but you have not been following them. So these are all the people that are mutuals. And now when you go to the end of the page, you'll see a section called New to Instagram. So these are the accounts that have recently been created. These are all the public accounts majorly who have recently been created on Instagram. Thank you for being with us till the end. If you like the video or if the video is helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, and also like and share the video.